Chapter 14. Present Tense. Let's start. Read a diary entry written by a robot. Dear Diary, I have come to my new home. I have to take care of 2 children here. They are full of mischief, but very sweet. The boy is strong and tall. The girl is strong too, but she is not so tall. Their eyes shine brightly when they come across something new. Let's understand. The highlighted words are verbs that show that the action are being done at the moment of writing the diary and describe the current state of being of the nouns they refer to. Hence, they are in the present tense. A verb is said to be in the present tense when it is used to describe a current action or current state of being. The present tense is further categorized into simple present, present continuous, and present perfect tenses, depending on whether the action is in progress or completed when it is being spoken of or written about. We shall discuss about these in this chapter. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express universal truths. Example, the sun is the brightest star in our galaxy. To tell about the habits people have. Example, Dr. Sharma walks 3 kilometers every morning. To state a fact that is true at a given moment but may change in the future. Example, they are celebrating their 50th anniversary. Note that words such as usually, generally, every day, always, and sometimes are used with this tense quite often. Formation of the simple present tense. The first form of the verb is used with first person, second person, and third person plural subjects I, we, you, they. Examples, I go, we speak, you laugh, they teach. The rules given below are for the formation of simple present tense form of verbs for the third person singular subjects he, she, it. Add s to most verbs. Run, runs. Look, looks. Verbs ending in val plus y. Play, plays. Say, says. Most verbs ending with e. Take, takes. Live, lives. Add es to verbs ending with ch, sh, s, s, x or z. Munch, munches. Wish, wishes. Verbs to go and to do. Go, goes. Do, does. Replace y with ies. Verbs ending in consonant plus y. Cry, cries. Fly, flies. A. Match the columns to make sentences in the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense tells us about the action that is happening at the moment of speaking or writing. It is formed in the following way. Am, is, are plus present participle ing form of the verb. Am, is or are plus being, having, talking, eating, sleeping, hopping, etc. This tense is used to talk about an action that is going on at the moment of speaking or writing. Examples, Kunal is ordering the pizzas now. She is laughing at the joke. An action that is currently taking place but not necessarily at the exact time of speaking or writing. Examples, I am going to the gym at the nearby wellness center. Rahul is now giving singing lessons to adult learners. A habit that is often used with the adverbs of frequency. Examples, Maya is always complaining about her bad luck. Suresh is constantly refusing to take medicines. An event or activity that is planned for the future and is often used with the adverbs of time. Examples, my sister is finishing her first level German course next week. We are expecting many people for the wedding on Saturday. B. Rewrite the following sentences. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense tells us about an action that is completed at some point in the near past. It is formed in the following way. Has or have plus past participle of the verb. Has or have plus left, kept, brought, said, written, etc. This tense is used to talk about an action that began in the past but has continued up to the present. Examples: Sukriti has remained absent from school. They have quarrelled with each other on something silly. A past action whose effect is felt in the present as well. Example: the entire family has been involved in providing relief to the victims of the earthquake. An experience. Examples: Suraj has searched for the book High and Low, but to no avail. I have experienced this condition too. I know what you mean. An action that has been completed at an unknown time. Examples: the bridge has collapsed. Our team has finally brought the trophy back to the school. Formation of past participles. The past participle of the root form of verbs can be formed in the following ways. Add ed to root form of the verbs. Call, called. Walk, walked. Some verbs ending with vowel plus y. Pray, prayed. Bray, brayed. Add d to most of the verbs ending in e, double e or ie. Close, closed. Agree, agreed. Die, died. Replace y with ied in verbs ending in consonant plus y. Try, tried. Cry, cried. Many verbs have their own forms in past participle. They follow no rules. Keep, kept. Blow, blown. Buy, bought. Shine, shone. Say, said. Speak, spoken. Build, built. Break, broken. Write, written. Come, come. Bite, bitten. Teach, taught. The following words are often used together with the present perfect tense. Already, before, ever, for, just, lately, never, really, recently, since, so far, up to, now, yet. C. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect. To remember that simple present tense tells us about universal truths, habits and actions that are repeated on a regular basis. Present continuous tense tells us about actions that are happening at the moment of speaking or writing. Present perfect tense talks about actions that are completed sometime in the near past. Chapter 15.